Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular piece of software called Ezycourse, okay? And Ezycourse is basically a platform that will allow you to create any sort of digital product or sell physical products, create a membership website, and become basically a course creator, all right? It's kind of like an all-in-one platform, and I'm going to review it to basically demonstrate whether this is a good way for you to make money on the internet. So many different ways these days, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email if you want to check that out. Now, I've been online for 15 plus years. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Everything from taking different courses to different business models like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, setting up your own agency, all sorts of different free methods to make money online, surveys, watching video ads, GPT websites, and some of them are great and potentially you can make a lot of money. But a lot of them are really a waste of time. You can make very small money, and some of them are just fake. So I would stay away from some of these options, right? So let's take a look at Ezycourse to find out what this is all about, and is this a good use of your time? Should you be making money online this way, all right? Now, Ezycourse is basically a platform that will allow you to sell anything, all right? So the whole point here is to allow you to start selling courses. That means your own information. You would create either your own physical products or you would create your own digital training courses, right? In any niche out there, okay? You can create communities, appointments, events, digital physical products, group activities, private chats, audio libraries, video libraries, everything within one platform, okay? I gotta say that, I've been doing this a long time and it's very rare that I come across a platform that I'm pretty excited about, okay? And Ezycourse is definitely one of these platforms, right? So essentially what this is all about is if you have some sort of idea in your head, or maybe you're an expert, or maybe you have some sort of skill in the offline world, and it can be anything. It could be maybe you're great at cooking, or maybe you're great at motivation, mindset work. Maybe you're a professional, weight training coach. Maybe you're a, personal trainer in a gym. Maybe you're really good at affiliate marketing. Maybe you've built an Amazon FBA business. Maybe you're really good at calligraphy, right? It could literally be anything, all right? Maybe you are really good at doing backflips, right? And you want to teach people how to do that particular thing. Then you can sell online and create your own courses on the internet. Actually, creating your own course online is a very, very big industry right now, and it's going to get even bigger. I've been doing it for the last 5 years. I've made millions of dollars selling my own information online. It is an amazing thing to do, and in order for you to do that, you need a platform to allow you to build all of these things for you to not only house that information, right? But you also need to build the sales pages and the community and all that stuff to be able to sell your course for you, right? Now, there are a lot of different platforms on the market. Ezycourse is one of these platforms, right? So if you want to check out the features, okay, so if you come here, they've got a lot of features, all right? So you can build individual courses, you have communities, you have the membership site where you're going to be able to deliver this digital course, right? They've got a great sort of checkout, what they call the magic checkout feature. They've got email automation, so when people are coming through your process, they'll send emails as well. You can create bundle courses, so maybe not just one course. So maybe let's just say you're into you're in the e-commerce industry, right? So you would have your e-commerce course, and then you might have a Facebook traffic course, you might have a TikTok traffic course, and you can bundle the courses together in Ezycourse itself. You've got group chat internally, you've got advanced form builders and contacts, all sorts of different things. The cool thing that I like about Ezycourse is they have a gamification element which allows you to grade your students and also give them certificates of completion that make them feel good that they've actually completed your course. It's to sort of gamify the process to push people through your program, which is really, really cool, okay? You can sell physical stuff and digital stuff as well. Now, if we come into the courses section, you're going to see here that you can create individual types of courses, right? And you can create standalone courses with all sorts of different things, which is cool. Video, audio, PowerPoint, extra PDF materials, multimedia, downloadable lessons, quizzes, surveys, assignments. You can, build in assignments. You can even have live lessons. Very cool. There are very few builders that have all of these things combined. So Ezycourse has thought of a lot of stuff to make it, the experience for your students really good, and also to make you a really good course creator to deliver the best course possible in whatever you're trying to teach. Okay, you can drip feed the courses, you can bundle them, you can create draft courses, really, really good, like quizzes right here. There are a lot of membership websites and course builders that don't have these quizzes and things like that. They make it really, really engaging and cool for your students to get the best experience possible. I think it's a really, really good platform to build. Okay, let's look about the pricing, and they also compare this. Now it's really interesting. They've got a few different options that you can use in order for you to join them if you want, right? So first of all, you have the monthly. Most people would go with the monthly. Okay. So they've got the basic plan and they've got the pro and unlimited. I would probably go with the pro plan. It's $89 a month. All right, that's not expensive. That's very competitive. Most of these types of course platforms, if you want to sell your own course online, will range around this price. They're usually around $100 a month, $150 a month, somewhere around there. Okay. So what you're gonna get with that is a lot, basically. So you're gonna get the ability to grow, unlimited courses, unlimited custom pages, 5 communities. You can even have a branded Android and iOS app conversion, which is really cool. Okay, I don't know of any other platform that does that. Most of them just have a web-based platform, but these guys have an app-based platform as well, which is really, really cool. Okay, they've got the group chats, they've got a lot of different stuff here at the quiz settings, dynamic student grading system, motivation pop-ups. Okay, so a lot of membership websites don't have motivation pop-ups to push your students through the process, right? Dynamic menus. They've got a lot of stuff here that a lot of other platforms don't have, which is why this is actually a pretty exciting platform. Okay, so that's the monthly. You've got the yearly as well. If you want to pay for this yearly, it gets a bit cheaper. And then they have something called Grow Together. All right, so instead of paying, let's say for the pro, instead of paying $89 per month, you give away 5% commissions per sale to Ezycourse. So every time you sell a product, they keep 5% commissions, and you get to have it for slightly cheaper. Instead of $89 per month, you get to have it at $49 per month. I think it's a cool option, right? You don't have to do this, it's optional, right? I would probably go with the monthly because I want to keep everything, okay, as a creator. But if you want to get it cheaper, Grow Together, then you can get it cheaper here, which is kind of cool. This is the only platform that I've seen that has that option, right? And then if you go down and you compare it with some of the other very big membership platforms, course creation platforms like Thinkific, Kajabi is a big one. Teachable is a very, very big one. There's a lot of stuff that they have that all of these other big ones don't have. Okay, now I'm not gonna sit here and kind of go through this because there's a lot of stuff, but you can take your time if you really want to create your own course online. They've got a lot of stuff that these other big ones like Kajabi and Teachable don't offer. Like these guys don't offer physical product creation. They don't have, a lot of them don't have group chats. Okay, a lot of them don't have appointment booking. A lot of them don't have template libraries, dynamic menus, white labeling on mobile apps. All of these don't have it. Okay, all of them don't have advanced quizzes. They don't have the magic checkout. A lot of them don't have tiered pricing. A lot of them don't have advanced upselling. Okay, a lot of them don't have affiliate programs. They don't have a lot of stuff that Ezycourse has, which is pretty amazing. Some of them don't have the certificates. Some of them don't have, let me see, blogs. Some of them, a lot of them don't have gamification. They just don't have the gamification built in for your students to want to push themselves through, right? A lot of them don't have live classrooms, live streaming, just a lot of stuff. Integration with Zoom, they don't have all that. Okay, so Ezycourse is pretty cool. They've thought of a lot of stuff. Obviously, you can integrate with your favorite, payment vendor, and they've got a lot here. They've got Stripe, they've got PayPal, they've got FastSpring, they've got GPay, Apple Pay, Razorpay, Klarna, Alipay. I mean, there's a lot. My payment platform only doesn't have any of these. Well, it has PayPal and Stripe, but it doesn't have a lot of these other ones. So it's a pretty cool platform, to be honest. Okay, so I would say, listen, if you are interested in building an information business, you want to sell your own course online, I would highly recommend Ezycourse. All right, it's affordable in terms of features. It looks really, really powerful. And I'm pretty excited about it, to be honest. I've been selling courses online for over 5 years now, and I've never seen a platform that has all of these things integrated. It's very, very exciting. Okay, now here is the big caveat though with selling courses, right? Which you need to understand as well. It's nothing about Ezycourse. I think that if you want to sell courses, you want to build communities, you want to teach students online, this is a really, really cool platform to help you to do everything. The problem is that they don't really teach you how to do that. Okay, you have to understand that selling courses online is quite a complicated thing to do. Number one, you have to already be an expert in something. That means you have to have some sort of idea in your head. You have to be, a very good cook, or very good at mindset, or maybe you're a yoga instructor, or maybe you already know how to get six-pack abs, or maybe you know how to do a backflip, maybe you know how to, dunk a basketball, right? Maybe you're a professional affiliate marketer. Maybe you've got a very successful dropshipping business. Maybe you are an expert crypto trader, right? So you need to be an expert in something first before you can sell a course online. Because if you don't really know what you're doing, integrity wise, it doesn't make sense for you to sell something online that you're creating yourself. Okay, so that's the first problem. The second problem is that you have to learn to create the course in a good way. All right, so you have to learn how to do that. So you have to invest in a program that's going to teach you how to do that. It's very difficult to just come and just do it without learning how to do it, because otherwise you're not going to build a very good course. All right, the third thing is that you also have to learn to sell your course. That means you have to learn to create all the pages, the upsells. You have to learn how to structure it. You have to price it correctly. Okay, and then you have to learn to create all the sales pages. That's not easy. You have to get all the testimonials together. You have to build out the sales pages. Are you going to sell it through a webinar? Are you going to sell it through a VSL, a video sales letter? Are you going to sell it through a long form sales page? These are all questions that you won't know if you're a beginner. You have to invest in a program that's going to teach you how to do that, okay? And then the third part is, once you've done all that stuff, you have to learn how to get targeted traffic to your stuff in order for you to sell that stuff. So creating your course is only one part of the full equation. Okay, so just understand that. And of course, Ezycourse is a platform that's going to help you to house all those things, but it's not going to teach you how to do everything that I just mentioned earlier. All right, that is completely separate. You're going to have to invest in a course creation program and then learn how to get traffic and leads from either Facebook ads or YouTube ads or YouTube organic or TikTok. I mean, there's many, many different ways to get traffic, but you have to understand that that's part of the process. Okay, you not only have to learn how to become a good teacher, you have to learn how to market and sell your own stuff. So it's two completely different things, right? And it's possible to do, but please understand that it is a very, very complex and complicated process. All right, selling courses online is an amazing thing if you're willing to do it, but it's very hard. All right, it is a difficult skill set to learn because there's so many pillars that you have to get good at and so many things you have to do before you can even launch and sell successfully. But if you're okay to do that, then Ezycourse is I think a great platform for you to house all your stuff and manage your students, and potentially do really, really well in. So if you want to check out Ezycourse, just head over to ezycourse.com. I highly recommend it. It's got my stamp of approval. All right. If you're here watching this video though, maybe you're not ready to build a course yet, right? Maybe you're here because you're looking for different ways to make money on the internet. And listen, I've been doing this a long time, right? I've sold other people's stuff. I've had a drop shipping business. I've tried many different business models online, direct sales, MLM. I've done surveys. I've done video ads. I've done GPT websites. I've sold my own programs. I've done affiliate marketing. I've sold other people's programs. I've sold physical. I've sold digital. I've done a lot of stuff online, okay? And the reality is that there is an easy way to make money online and there are very difficult ways to make money online, okay? And everything in between. And out of all of them, it depends on who you are. If you're watching this video and you're an absolute beginner, you've never made a cent online, maybe creating your own course right now isn't really the thing necessarily for you to start because it's pretty advanced, okay? I would start with something that's a little bit easier where you can get your feet wet, you can start generating commissions, you can even make full-time income, $5,000 to $10,000 a month without necessarily creating your own course yet. You can do that in the future, but maybe right now you need to learn to crawl before you can walk, and then you can run, and then you can sprint, and then you can do marathons. You know what I mean, right? So you got to do it step by step, okay? And so if you're in that position right now, I've got a great strategy that will teach beginners how to go from zero to $5,000 to $10,000 without creating their own course. You can sell other people's stuff first. It's a lot simpler, it's a lot easier, it's a lot more realistic for you to get to that kind of income level. And if that's something that you want to do, click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy to get to 5 to 10K a month without necessarily having to go through all this complicated stuff like creating your own course to begin with. You can do that later on if you would like, okay? So click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free if you want to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this review of Ezycourse, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.